Hey, my YouTube family, my name is Mukesh Janma, and a regular series we have been planning for the group discussions and debate competitions. As many of you are interested to watch more and more videos about the group discussion and debate competition, and just on your request, we are going to record another video on a wonderful topic, and it's a new and unique topic for you, that leadership. I mean, leaders are born or leaders are made. So we are going to discuss. We have 4 people, 4 students, and don't forget, these are also learners. If you find any error, if you want to suggest something to these learners, then please write your views. And of course, you also write your views about this topic. What do you think? Okay? So the discussion can go longer. So let's begin with the students we have to this side, to this side. Yeah, Mr. Harsh, introduce. And what do you think? Leaders are born or mad?
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Matha. I am pursuing BBA from FMS University at the MRSU, and in my opinion, leaders are made, not born. 70% of, according to the research, 70% of the people are made leaders and 30% are the born individual. So, and what are the skills which are required in the leadership? First is the communication. You have to be the great sign language, and you should be able to, you must have the good knowledge about a topic. And there are many examples which are the made leader, but 30% are also the born leader. Dalai Lama, if you have seen, if you know about him, is a great example of the born leader. And Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh are the great example of the made leader. So, but more appropriately, the leaders are made, not born. That's all from my side.
Okay. Before I give chance to others to speak, let's take some questions. Here, yeah, Mr. Laksh, do you agree with his opinion that leaders are mad? He's saying that leaders are not born.
No, I think everybody is a born leader. But the deficiency is only that not all can maximize the potential that much. So some people become leader in early ages, and some people become leader afterwards, after facing difficult circumstances and environment. It depends on the upbringing and the method of raising a child.
Any
circumstances and the upbringing also occur after the birth, not at the time of birth. You can't acquire and do something while you are the...
But the quality the person is inherited from birth, it can be improved afterwards by practicing, and the person can have quality within him, but he may not know about the quality. He developed it afterwards by seeing other people. He did not have the confidence in the early ages. After time, he's seen many people. He developed the confidence. Now he is a good leader.
So after the birth, he will be the good leader, na? So at the time, he doesn't know about it.
But the quality is within him, na? He was not knowing the quality is within him. Every individual is having quality within him. The thing is that everybody could not maximize the potential that much. That's why everybody could not make it.
But if the other person will not showcase him or tell him that you have the ability, then how will he become a good leader?
My point is that everybody is born leader, but everybody has different breaking points at which time they develop the leadership quality, at which moment. Environment plays an important role.
So everyone able to be a good leader, or some are one who become a good leader?
Not everybody is able to be a leader. Not everybody can maximize potential that much. Like our brain, we have only used 2% of our brain. We have not reached to maximum potential. If we have reached to maximum potential, then you can see the scenario. Scenario will be changed.
Okay, good try. So guys, this argument is required. I often tell you that without this argument, the discussion cannot go longer. The more you discuss, the more you improve, right? This way, you also can communicate with your friends. If you don't have, then we are going to start a regular group discussions. You can join us. Now giving chance to Shivani. Yeah, what's your opinion?
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Prajapat and I am pursuing LLM now. So I want to give 2 or 3 examples that can prove that leaders are made, not born. The first and foremost example is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was very shy and faced difficulties in interacting with people. But after that he became a good leader and great leader and father of nation. My second example is Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi was want to become a soldier in childhood, but after that he became a leader. So leaders are made, not born.
Prime Minister wanted to become soldier. Okay, good try. I'll take questions from this side, but before that I'll give chance to Lavina. Yeah, what's your opinion, Lavina?
So, as my friend already quoted a scientific study that 70% is is learned and 30% is genetically. So I'm agree with that. But one thing that we should keep in our mind, that circumstances and surrounding also matters a lot, because and the other thing that we should keep in our mind, that nature and nurture. Nature means to that we have genetically we receive genetically, and nurture that we see ourselves, like the surrounding, like the circumstances that we have seen from ourselves. So that is all from my side.
Okay, nurture versus nature, right? You said. Last views I would like to take from you, because I think you are going in against that leaders are born.
Leaders are born because leaders can be made afterwards. As you can take the example of carbon. Carbon has a form called coal, and carbon also have the hardest form in the world, diamond. The difference in both of them is only about the temperature and environment. One has given the highest temperature and one has given the minimum temperature. That's why they are not able to. Coal is not able to be the hardest form in the world, and diamond became the hardest form in the world because he suffered from the pressure and temperature.
Okay, good try. So all four have shared their views. So he is going different. So anybody got any question from the Laksh that he has given the wonderful example of carbon and diamond?
Isn't it a role of, isn't there is a role of the hard work in it? If a person do.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody in himself is inherited with the quality of leadership, be it any quality, singing, all. But he is not able to. He is not able to improve the productivity of it. He is not able to show his quality in front of others because he is not having the confidence. After a moment of time, when he realizes or he changes, when he changes the environment, when he meets new people, he develops quality of leadership.
Any reaction?
No, sir, I agree with him.
You agree with him?
The quality may be hidden within him. It can be come after some time.
Okay, good try. So it was a short discussion. Guys, I want to tell you that we always have a regular group discussion in our offline classes. And when we discuss this type of topic, now we have planned that such unique topic should be recorded for you. So you also get the idea, you get the points. And I'm so happy many people dropped their views into the comment section, that whenever they have group discussion in their colleges, schools, they watch our videos first, they get some ideas, points, and they participate in their school or college debate. So you keep getting, our mission is to give more and more knowledge, to give you the ideas to grow yourself. It was a short and simple debate come GD between these four people. You also keep writing your views into the comment section. Enough for today. We'll be right back having a new group discussion, but the GD is not going to be ended. You have to keep discussing into the comment section. Thank you. Have a great time.